Phonics at home learning online. A alternative spelling sound. Ray. Ray. Hi, my name is Ray. Pray. Pray. We pray every day. Tray. Tray. Put the tray on the table. Spray. Spray. Please do not spray water on me, said the beet. Lay. Lay. The hen lays eggs on the nest. Play. Play. I play with my sister. Clay. Clay. The clay dough is fun to play with. Day. Day. It's a bright day today. Birthday. Birthday. Today is my birthday. Way. Follow the other way. Away. Away. Keep your toys away.